If you're watching this, it means you are ready to reset your life before the new year actually starts. This is episode 2 of the New Year Reset series, and today we are rebuilding your body and your energy so you wake up feeling unstoppable. We are here for 60 days, no complicated goals, just small, powerful shifts that will change how you feel every single day. And if you're new here, don't worry at all, because I will list all the episodes in this series in the description box. So make sure you check that out and stay with me till the end, because I will be sharing your homework and your journal prompts for this week. Hi, I am Jyot, and in episode 1 we reset our mindset, and now today we focus on your energy, your body, your daily habits, and the balance that helps you feel alive instead of exhausted. And if you haven't watched the part 1 of this series, don't worry, you can watch it right after you finish this video. So hit subscribe and let's go. Okay, listen. Your body is 75% water, और जो तो पानी ही कट होगा तो obviously यार energy भी कट होगी, and winters ना वैसी प्यास नहीं लगती, because honestly same here. But that's exactly why we are fixing it. So here's what we are going to do. As soon as we wake up, we are going to drink that whole glass of water. Obviously, you know what I mean by that. But if you got a smartwatch, there is usually a feature that notifies you every 30 to 45 minutes to drink water. But if you do not have one, that's okay. Just grab a bottle and keep it beside you all day. I would say use an app, but I am not really a fan of these mobile apps. You can try if that works for you. It never worked for me, so I don't know. And if you are confused on how much water you actually need to take, I have found a very simple formula. Just multiply your weight in kilos to 33. So if you're like 55 kg, you'll roughly get a number around 1815, and that makes up like 1.8 liters a day, which is like 2 liters, So just sip slowly throughout the day, and your skin, energy, and digestion, everything will thank you. And habit number 2 is my favorite in this season, is the sun check. The moment that sunlight hits your face, it's so good. It boosts your vitamin D, helps with your mood. It literally tells your body and your brain to wake up and full energy mode. So just step outside for 5 to 10 minutes in the first 2 hours of waking up and feel the warmth. And in this season, honestly makes it so much easier, because सर्दियाँ तो यार वैसी मजा आंदा है, धुप्पे बैठो, रोटियाँ खाओ, it's like a picnic. So yeah, सर्दियाँ इस चीज़ का बहुत फायदा चकना चाहिए अपन, okay? And number 3, sit straight girl, it's the posture. I promise 50% of your confidence is on how you carry yourself. Bad posture literally chokes your energy, okay? And good posture suddenly make you feel like a that girl. So here's what we're going to do. Imagine a string pulling up your head. No, that doesn't work. That really doesn't work. What we really need to do is to be mindful on how we are doing that throughout the day, and instantly fix that if you're sitting wrong. So put your elbows around your body and pull your arms outside, so your shoulder and your chest opens instantly. And another one is a bit funny, but it definitely works, is to like shoot laser beams with your So it's funny, it's really funny, but it actually works, so you can try it. And the last but not the least is a non-negotiable evening walk. Not just for movement, it's for fresh air, actual humans around you, and maybe a little social movement instead of just scrolling on your phone. So even for 10 minutes before or after dinner, do this for at least 2 weeks and notice how light our body feels, so that we actually know if we want to keep doing it or not, because it might not be, the thing for every one of you. And if you're still here, comment, I am resetting my body, so we know that you're actually with me in this challenge. And definitely subscribe, because the next week we are leveling up to skincare and glow up from the outside, and I promise it's going to be good. So let's move forward. And now let's talk about food, because honestly I am also a full Indian ghar ka khana type of girl. Dal, roti, sabji, chawal, bas carbs hunde hain jide vich like proteins. No. So look, it's not a bad thing actually, but we just need to be a little mindful about adding those little things into our body that will help you actually glow, like proteins and micronutrients. So every meal, try to add some of these things. Even if it's something like simple as chana or paneer or like curd, rajma, soya chunks, add a little bit. Add a little bit of colorful salads. I'm not asking you to go on diets or restrictions. Just take smart swaps. Add a little salad, one bowl of curd or a fruit as a snack instead of your chips, and your skin will actually show you the difference. And honestly, I am also working on this क्योंकि खान पीन दा मैनू भी बहुत शौक आ. But that's what this challenge is about, right? And of course, movement, workout. And winters are honestly the best time to start because there is not much sweating, you feel warm instantly, your metabolism actually gets a boost. Plus, if you start now, by the time summer comes, boom, you already have a habit. Imagine entering the hot weather already fit and confident and not having to freak out about the summer body. So do whatever you enjoy, home workouts, cycling, dance, gym, or even clean your room with loud music on. Give yourself that time. During the day, you'll feel glow from inside. Like not just looking good, but actually feeling strong. So these were your glow up body habits for week 2 of our 60-day reset. And with that, we come to the end of this episode. Okay, homework time. Number 1 is to calculate your water intake right after this video. Number 2 is to correct your posture and do posture exercises daily. Number 3 is to find out what workout plan works best for you right after this video. And number 3 is to add 1 or 2 fruits every day. And if you mess up, that's okay. No stress. Just come back the next day because that is discipline. And here are your journal prompts. What is one thing my body has done for me that I'm grateful for today? What are some things that drains my energy, physically or emotionally? Which childhood memories make you so happy and why is it important to you? And now episode 3 is going to be everyone's favorite. We are diving into our skincare and feminine glow habits. So make sure you are subscribed, hit the bell icon and share this video with 3 people because it actually helps the whole series to reach more girls who need a push. And let's keep showing up for each other and for ourselves. And I'll see you next Friday. Until then, have a great day and I'll see you soon. Bye.